morning students, welcome back. Okay, our class is 7th, our subject social studies, and yesterday you have read your lesson, keep in the underlined words, okay, and which one for you hard words, you kept hard words underline, yes, you completing your fair notes, okay, you had to complete your fair notes also, okay, and what is our lesson name? Say our lesson name. What is our lesson name? Handcraft and handlooms. Yes, handcraft and handlooms. And yesterday what we discussed about the handicraft. What is meant by handicraft? Yes, we can take it. The two members, they are the family members. They are preparing the basket maker. Okay, they prepared the basket maker. They were the family members. They are Angulu, they are the village, they are came Rangareddy district. Okay, Rangareddy district, and their family, they are preparing that. His name what? Polaya. His name is Polaya. Okay, his name is what, ma? His name is Polaya. How much is age? Age 35 years age, and his wife is Bhagyamma, and they are having the two children. They are having the two children, and their family 25 to 30 family members. They are settled in a city, means near the forest. They are will be settled, and what they will doing? What they are doing? They are doing the preparing the basket. How they are preparing? Where they are get it from the foresters. Okay, with which leaves they are preparing the basket? You can know, they are preparing the plum leaves. Okay, they are preparing the plum leaves. Yesterday we have discussed about plum leaves, and they are coming the forest. One bundle, two bundles for 1 month, 2 months. They are getted from the forest. After that they will be hot sunrises, they will be dry up. Okay, after that they are preparing the baskets. Yes, after that they are selling into the market. After that they are selling into the market, and after that for 1 month they are getting how much price, better? They are getting 5,000 rupees. Okay, they are getting 5,000 rupees. 5,000 rupees remaining transport charges and expediting 1,200 rupees transport charges only they are left. Why 12 means they are for forest they are getting the palm leaves bundles, transport charges, raw materials brought, knife, that are different they are brought in, preparing purpose. 1,200 they will be get a transport charges. Remaining how many will be is there? 3,700 rupees. 3,700 rupees remaining. For 1 month they are getting 3,700 rupees. Yes, and the next they are depending on the preparing the baskets only. They are depending on the preparing on the baskets only. Yes, and the next they are the living where? They are living in slum areas. When the cities is there, they are living in the slum areas. They are not having the own houses, like huts only. They are living. They are huts only. They are living. And next they are not having the electric current or drinking water. Not when they are the living, no dryness smell, mosquitoes is not correct anything. For Polaya family, not one. There are 25-30 families are living now. They are not having any sufficient facilities. When the rainy season, when the flood season comes, the totally it will be totally the houses will be left. They are not sleeping also, places will be not there. And see, beta, they are not having any identity proof also. Suppose nowadays we are having the proof, we are going to examination any place, they have to show for identity proof. What will showing nowadays? Aadhaar card. Before identity card will be like is there one photo, there will be one number will be is there, we have to show. But Polaya family is not having any proof of ration card, identity card, anything it will be not there. They're not having anything. There is a poor family. They are depending on the preparing the baskets only. And the next, they are having the their family called as a Erkala. You know Erkala family like okay. And in the moreover in the Sodhi in the villages, Sodhi chapta mama like there will be came no same their family only same relative Polaya Erkala. And they are having the languages. They talk the language. What language they are talking? See Tamil and Telugu and Kannada. These languages will be talked. These languages will be talking. Okay, these languages will be talking. And the next part 1, it is a preparing of the basket is a part 1. Now part 2. Okay, part 1, part 2. Okay, we are having that 2 beta. Part 1, part 2. Part 1 is what is that? Handicraft. Part 1. And the part 2, handlooms. Part 2, handlooms. Part 2, what we will having? Handlooms. And see beta, part 2 handlooms, what will we say? See. Handlooms means Pochampalli sarees like will be is there. The Pochampalli sarees. What is the Pochampalli sarees? See. Pochampalli sarees. Okay. It is where is there ma? Yadagiri district. It is a Yadagiri district in the Telangana. It is a the famous of the Pochampalli sarees. It is a wearing of the handloom. Handloom means with the hand only they will be preparing the sarees. And the next, these are produced by, this is the produced saree called as a Ithak sarees. It is called as a Ithak sarees. Anybody you listen beta? This word Pochampalli sarees you are listen. I know. Ithak sarees also. It is a famous, and moreover it is a world famous. Okay, it is a world famous sarees. And the next, it is having the lifestyle is the using the particular cloth. It will using the particular cloth and particular design, and it will having the different. Okay, and the next, it is a more the famous when the villages and other countries and more in the cities also famous, where it is a Pochampalli sarees and Ithak sarees. And the next, they have 3 colors or will be shaded. They are having the 3 colors of the shaded in the handloom wearing sarees. And the next, they are nearly 10,000 wears of sarees. 10,000. They have nearly how many beta? 10,000s of wearing sarees family members. So many family members are depending on this wearing of the sarees only. Nearby the villages only, villages peoples only, they are depending on the wearing the sarees. Nowadays more the famous of the wearing the sarees beta. Suppose some family members settle in a home only. They preparing the wooden sticks like with the thread. They only prepare at home, sitting in the home only. They are preparing the saree wears. And nowadays the government given for the pensions also for them. Handloom saree wearing for peoples. Okay, and the next, they are producing the handloom sarees in the world, selling sarees. World more the selling the sarees. And the next, Pochampalli sarees and Ithak sarees. These both sarees, Pochampalli and Ithak sarees, the more selling the sarees. And the next, the villages can be sold a branded. This is in the villages branded. It is a very super sarees like we will be saying now in the family. Your mother will be saying, oh, it is a super like a shopping. Same as this in the villages is also branded sarees. And the next is having the high prices also. It is having the high price. And the next, it make a silk sarees also, it making as a silk sarees. See, silk sarees means make a like a silk yarn, cotton cloth, like it will be silk yarn. You know silk yarn? Silk yarn. And next it will having a cotton thread. Cotton thread. Silk yarn and cotton thread. Cotton thread, what will we do with cotton? Cotton is a no, with that only they are preparing the cotton thread. When the agriculture is there, no, their agriculture's cotton sending into the industries. Okay, they are sending into the shop and they are to buy and they are preparing like a cotton thread. Silky and silkworm is there, no, when the leaf on the leaving the very small like silkworm, it will be having no insect. With that only they are using the silk yarn, silk thread. Okay, and the next they are having the small farmers and cotton is producing into the industries. Small farmers is there, no, they are sending into the industries. And the next, the wearing yarn has a colors from the market. They are getted from the market, different colors of yarn. And the next, now tools. Now tools, what you did my tools? See better, tools, the wearing of the wooden wear tools. Yes, with wooden only, no, wooden stick only they are wearing the tools. And the next, the main tool is requiring wearing a part of small knife. Small knife means they are having, see better, like it will be having very sharp. Okay, they are having the sharp, like it will be there. And wooden only, totally they are wearing the tools only wooden only better. And the next, it is the important to know the planning to designing. It is important, means they are before only they will be planned this type like a peacocks, elephant, flowers, like before only they will be prepared. After that they can design the sarees. And the next, they are having designing on them, make on a special sheet paper. On the sheet paper they prepared first a design, after that they will be wear on the sarees. And the next, without making a practice, even developing a new designs, means day by day they are developing in the new designs. And the next, stages of wearing sarees. Stages of weaving sarees. Okay, stages means different types of stages will be having the wearing the sarees. See, different stages means they are different wearing the sarees. Means the first preparing is the yarn. First is the preparing is the yarn, and the next silk. Okay, silk yarn and wooden bobbin. Wooden means like it is there, no, wooden bobbin. It will be having, totally it will be having the thread only. It will be having bobbin. It is called as a thread bobbin. And the next, these are making a designing help. It will be making the designing helps. And dyed yarn, and each color need a separately. Okay, each color will be doing the separately. Okay, and after that only coloring the completely thread will be used to wearing. After that you wearing the colored and using the design colors. Okay, and today we have to complete stages of wearing sarees. Tomorrow dyeing yarn we have to discuss. Okay, up to where I completed, you have to read the lesson and keep the underlined words, and you have to complete your fair notes. Okay, thank you.